Keep up the good work. Let's fuel the dump truck. Press the pump. Keep up the good work. Let's prepare a crushed stone pad for the railroad. Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. Let's wash the dump truck. Let's start foaming the machine. Clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Hooray! Now let's wash off the rest of the foam. Let's assemble a truck. Amazing! Let's load tiles in the truck. Let's load the transport with the necessary items. Keep up the good work. Let's lay sleepers on a crushed stone pad. We need to fix a crack on the truck. Amazing! Let's grind the welding seam. Let's drag the sander to the seam to make the surface even. Amazing! To paint the stain, look at the cloud and install the spray gun cup of the same color. Amazing! Let's assemble the dray scene. Don't stop! Let's load the rails onto the dray scene. That's all. Let's lay the rails and fix them. We need to wash the dray scene. Keep up the good work. We need to assemble the minecart. Ready. Now let's load the parts for the crosswalk into the minecart. That's all. Let's install a semaphore and make a crosswalk. Let's wash the minecart. Done! We need to assemble a pile driver. Don't stop! Let's fuel the pile driver. Pump. Amazing! Let's hammer piles for the station building. Let's wash the pile driver. We did it! We need to assemble the flat car. We did it! Now let's load the boards onto the flat car. Keep it up. Let's make wooden decking for the platform. We need to fix a crack on the flat car. That's all. Let's grind the welding seam. That's all. Choose the same color as in the cloud to paint the stain. You're doing really great. We need to assemble the open wagon.